This is a professional walkie-talkie. You can use it to talk to others no matter where you are. As long as there is a signal, there is no distance limit, up to 6,000 kilometers, and you communicate anytime and anywhere. The body design is compact and lightweight, easy to carry. It has single call and group call functions to meet various communication needs. If you have any questions about the quality of our products, we provide after-sales service so that you can buy with peace of mind. The quality you see is the quality you get. Buy now and enjoy the convenience brought by high-quality communication tools.